Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the bridge between Excel and SAP. Install the correct SAP GUI or NetWeaver RFC/OData connectors that match Excel's bitness. Next, log into SAP to verify your user, client, system ID, instance number, and gateway host/port. You need these to address the system. Once done, ensure RFC or OData services are active and your account has required authorizations in SU01/PFCG. This step prevents authentication and compatibility failures before you attempt data transfer. You now create the actual connection inside Excel. From Data, choose Get Data, then the SAP source type you enabled, OData, BW, or RFC. Enter the SAP endpoint and your credentials. Choose Single Sign-On if your environment supports it so you avoid repeated logins. Then navigate available services. Pick a table, function module, BAPI, or OData entity. Apply filters and preview rows so you only request the fields you need. Doing this reduces payload size and speeds refreshes. You finish by loading the data and automating refreshes. Choose to load into a worksheet or the Power Query data model, then set refresh behavior on open, manual, or scheduled via Power Automate/Task Scheduler. Map columns to SAP formats and use Power Query steps or small VBA routines to transform data and call batch BAPI if you need write back. Finally, test the full workflow end-to-end. Troubleshooting tip: if calls fail or timeout, check SAP gateway logs and your RFC/OData authorizations first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.